Okay, now we will check another feature, which is adding signature. And this is common for business owners na gusto nila yung team members nila has parang uniform na signature for the company. So to add signature, you just need to click on this gear, which is the gear icon. Click on settings, and then stay ka lang sa general. Then scroll down some more, and then, ayan. So ito siya. Ayan. Ayan. So to add your signature, just click on create new, then just put the name. So signature, let's say, then create. And then dito, just like in your email, you can customize yung itsura ng text. So what they would usually do is the name. So let's say they would also, yung mga common ones, they would add their website. Let's say. Tapos, their phone number, yung iba. Siyempre, nagkaroon ng letters. And then, yung iba, nagsasama din sila ng email address. So, depende sa kung anong gustong format ni client. But, dun mo siya ipa-pattern. So, yung iba naglalagay pa sila ng small images, specific photo, or let's say logo ng company, they can also do that. So, if you want to do that, you can just click this to attach an image. Kung ililink mo naman siya sa isang website, you can just you can just link it. Yan, pag click mo yan, mag-click lang siya. And then, magiging, ano na siya, may link na siya. Then, you can just remove it. It's up to you. Now, once done na siya, para ma-save mo siya, you need to scroll sa pinaka-bottom. Oh, before pala natin i-save, iset mo muna kung para saan siya maglalagay. So, for new emails, set mo siya. And then, kapag ba nag-reply ka pa, maglalagay ka pa ba nun? Usually kasi, hindi ba minsan kapag may masyadong mahabang thread ng email, parang ang awkward na may signature pa rin every single time. So, you can opt not to have it anymore. So, yan. So, set mo lang siya. And once you're done, you just click on save. And then, pag nag-compose ka, andyan na siya. Okay. So, compose ka natin dyan. Yan.